Hello, students! I am very happy to see all of you again. Welcome back to our vibe coding journey. Students, in the last chapter, we saw how we can use AI and prompts to create new things, step by step. In the last chapter, we made a simple web page. And today, we are going to make something very useful. Today, we are going to make a task organizer. Now, students, do you know what a task organizer is? Don't worry, I will explain it to you in a very simple way. A task organizer is like a place where we can write our daily work, like homework or other small tasks. This helps us not to forget our work and finish it on time. The task organizer that we are going to make will help us add tasks, view them on the screen, and easily organize them on the web page. And students, like chapter 8, this time as well, you will do every step with me. We will move forward step by step, slowly and carefully. First, you will see what I am doing, and then you will do the same on your computer. Don't worry, students. After every step, I will give you time so that before we go to the next step, you can complete your work too. So, students, are you ready? Let us begin. Before starting the vibe coding process, we need to do some settings in both LM Studio and VS Code. Do you remember? Before starting the vibe coding process, we did this setup in our last chapter too. So this time, we will do it a little faster and make sure the setup is done correctly. Students, if you have never done this setup before, you can go to chapter 6 and do the full setup, step by step. In this chapter, we will do all the settings a little faster and complete our project. First, we will open LM Studio. Press the Windows button on your keyboard. In the search bar that appears on top, type LM Studio. After typing LM Studio, you will see the LM Studio icon. Click on it and open it. If you are using Windows, the process will be the same. Press the Windows button. In the search bar, type LM Studio and click on it to open LM Studio. Have you all opened LM Studio? Students, you can take a little time. You can also pause the video, and after LM Studio opens, you can play the video again. Let's move ahead. Students, now first, we need to do one very important thing. Remember, in the last chapter, we had turned off the GPU. So first, let's check whether the GPU is still turned off or not. If the GPU in your LM Studio is already turned off, you don't need to do anything. But if the GPU is not off, then first we must turn it off. For this, click the settings icon at the bottom left side. Then click on developer. If the developer mode is already on, that's great. If it is off, then turn it on. Now click on hardware. Here, if off is written in front of GPU, then everything is fine and you can move ahead. But if the GPU is on, then turn it off. Below this, the option offload KV cache to GPU memory should also be off. If it is on, then turn it off too. Have you all done it? Let's move ahead. Now close this pop-up screen. Very good, students. Now let us quickly check the remaining settings. Go to the developer section on the left side and select local server. Then click on load model and make sure our model Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct is selected. Click on it once. As soon as you click, our AI model will load. Look, students, the model has been loaded. Now click on the Load tab on the right side. Now what do we need to check, students? Yes, context length, which is here, below. If the context length is already 4096, then do not change anything. If it is not 4096, then set it to 4096. Now go to the Inference tab. Open Settings and make sure the temperature is set to 0. If it is already 0, you don't need to change anything. Students, keep one more thing in mind. If you have just changed the context length yourself and set it to 4096, then you will see a button at the bottom of the screen called Reload to apply changes. After checking the temperature setting, you need to click this button once so that your changes are applied. But if on your computer the context length was already set to 4096 and you did not change anything, then you will not see the Reload to apply changes button. In that case, you don't need to do anything. So now, let us check one final thing. The screen should show status as running and there should be green color signal. If the status shows running, then we can move ahead. If the status shows stopped, then start the server. If the server is off, click on it once and the server will turn on. Now our LM Studio is fully ready. Now we will open VS Code. For that, first let's minimize LM Studio. Now you already know what we have to do next. Press the Windows button. Press the Windows button and type VS Code in the search bar. Have you typed it? As soon as you type VS Code, you will see its icon here. Click the icon once and open VS Code. Has everyone opened VS Code? Students, if it is taking some time, you can also pause the video here and complete each step slowly. Now after opening VS Code, on the left side, click on this icon. This is the Continue extension icon. Let's click on this. After that, go to the prompt box and make sure Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct model is selected. If the model is already selected, then you do not need to change anything. If the model is not selected, then from the list select Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct. Students, if you cannot see our AI model Qwen 2.5 coder 7B instruct in the list below, then you can go to chapter 6 and check the VS Code setup to fix this problem. Let's move ahead. Now both LM Studio and VS Code are ready. Students, before writing our prompt, let's first understand our prompt. Our prompt is: act like a web developer, create a simple task organizer web page. The page should include a title, My Daily Tasks, an input box to type a task, a button, Add Task, a list area where tasks will appear. When I type something and click Add Task, the task should appear in the list below. Use a single HTML file for all HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, let's understand this using the three-part prompt formula. Students, do you remember the three-part prompt formula? I can hear some students saying role, task, and rules. You are absolutely right. First comes the role. We said, act like a web developer. This means we want the AI to think like a person who writes computer code to build web pages or websites. So when we say web developer, the AI understands it should work like someone who knows how to write computer code for making web pages. Then comes the task. The task is create a simple task organizer web page. The page should include a title, My Daily Tasks, an input box to type a task, a button, Add Task, a list area where tasks will appear. When I type something and click Add Task, the task should appear in the list below. I know this may sound a little difficult, so let's understand it line by line. First we said, create a simple task organizer web page. Here we are asking the AI to make a web page where we can write and organize our daily tasks. Then we said, the page should include a title, My Daily Tasks. This means at the top of the page, there should be a heading called My Daily Tasks. After that we said, an input box to type a task. This tells the AI that we need a box where we can type our tasks. Then we said, a button, Add Task. Here we are asking the AI to add a button named Add Task. After that we said, a list area where tasks will appear. This tells the AI that there should be a place where all the added tasks can be seen. And in the end we said, when I type something and click Add Task, the task should appear in the list below. This means when we type a task and click the Add Task button, that task should show in the list below so that we can see it. Now let's come to the rule. The rule is use a single HTML file for all HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This tells the AI how to do the work. We are telling AI to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but keep everything inside a single HTML file. So students, we are clearly telling the AI what to make and how to make it. Now let's go back to VS Code. To write the prompt, I will click once inside this box. Students, I am writing the prompt. Our prompt is: act like a web developer, create a simple task organizer web page. The page should include a title, my daily tasks, an input box to type a task, a button, add task, a list area where tasks will appear. When I type something and click add task, the task should appear in the list below. Use a single HTML file for all HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Students, don't worry. You can also type the prompt by looking at the screen. You can pause the video here, and once you finish typing your prompt, you can play the video again. Has everyone typed it? No problem, students. Take your time and write this prompt calmly but carefully. Come on, students. Have you all typed the prompt? Let's move ahead. So students, now we have typed the prompt. But after typing a prompt, we should always read it once again so that if there is any mistake, we can correct it. So let me read the prompt. Act like a web developer, create a simple task organizer web page. The page should include a title, my daily tasks, an input box to type a task, a button, add task, a list area where tasks will appear. When I type something and click add task, the task should appear in the list below. Use a single HTML file for all HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So students, I am writing the prompt again on the screen. So you can look at it and make sure your prompt is exactly the same. Have you all checked it? Let's move ahead. Students, now we have typed the prompt, but we need to send this prompt to LM Studio so that the AI model inside LM Studio, that is Qwen 2.5 Coder 7B Instruct, can write computer code for us. So students, how will we send the prompt to LM Studio? We will send it by clicking enter. Students, can you see the enter button here? Come on students, now we have to click enter. Let's click on the enter button together. Look students, now the AI model has started giving the answer. So look, our AI model Qwen 2.5 coder 7B Instruct has given us the computer code. Here is our computer code, students. Look, our code is now ready. But how do we know this? Students, while the code is being generated, you will see generating written below. When it disappears, it means your code is ready. Right below this, VS Code is also telling us what the code is about. Has the computer code finished generating on your screen too, students? Very good. Let us move on. Now, we need to do something very important. We need to open the demo.html file. Do you remember? In the toolkit section, we created demo.html file. So let's open it. Students, to open demo.html file, can you see the file tab at the top? Let's click on it. After clicking, below, here, we need to click on Open File. Let's click on it, students. Are you all with me till here? Let's click on this. Students, after this, we need to click on Home. Have you all clicked on Home? After Home, we need to find Desktop. Here is Desktop on my screen. You can take some time and find where the desktop is on your screen. Did you find it, students? Let us move ahead. Students, we are going to the desktop because in the toolkit section, we created the demo.html file on the desktop. Now, let's double click on desktop. So students, can you see the demo.html file here? To select it, you need to click on it once. After clicking, can you see the open option written here? Let's click on it. Now let's take a quick look at the Windows screen as well. Students, if your operating system is Windows, you first click on File. Then click on Open File. After that, a Windows Explorer will open. In the Windows Explorer, you need to go to Desktop, where our demo.html file is present. Now, let's go back to the Ubuntu screen. Look students, the demo.html file has opened here. Now first, we need to delete the old code. To delete it, first click anywhere inside the demo.html file. After clicking, press and hold the control button and then press A. Students, have you all done this? Now we need to press the backspace button on our keyboard. The backspace button looks something like this. Students, let's press backspace button. As soon as we pressed the backspace button, the old computer code in the demo.html file has been deleted. So students, look, here is our computer code. Can you see this button here? When we click it, our code will be copied. So students, let's click on this. Here you go, students. Now our code is copied. Now we will go to demo.html. Here on the right side, let us click inside it once. Students, to paste this computer code, we need to press and hold the control button and then press V. Now our computer code is pasted, but we still need to save it. To save it, we need to press and hold control button and then press S. Like this. Have you all saved it? Very good. Students, you can also save your code in demo.html in another way. You need to go to the File tab. Here, at the top, go to the File tab and click on it. After that, you need to click on Save at the bottom. Here. Students, now our code is saved. Now, let's minimize VS Code. To minimize, we need to click on the minus icon. Here. Students, now we are on the desktop. And here is our demo.html file. We need to right click on it. Have you all done right click? After right clicking, we will choose Open with other application. Look students, many applications are visible here. My computer has Firefox as the web browser. Maybe your computer has a different web browser and that is okay. Students, you just need to choose the web browser according to your system. I am choosing the Firefox web browser. Students, after clicking on it once, we need to click on Select here. Are you all with me? Let's click on Select. Students, our Task Organizer web page is ready. Can you see My Daily Tasks at the top? Below it, you can see an input box. And next to it, can you see the Add Task button too? The list is empty right now because we have not added any tasks yet. So let's test it. I will click inside the input box once and type Get up at 6 a.m. Now I am clicking the Add Task button and see, our task has started appearing below. Let's add one more task and see. I click inside the input box again and type Brush your teeth. Now let's click on Add Task again and see, the second task is also added to our list. Students, this means our project is working correctly. Whenever you write a new task and click the Add Task button, that task starts appearing in the list below. Students, now we have our result. We asked AI to create a simple task organizer web page with a heading, an input box, a button, and a list where our tasks appear. And if you see, we got exactly what we asked for. Students, your web page may look a little different from web pages of other students. But we already know that in vibe coding, AI can give different answers for the same prompt. That is why there can be many correct ways to do the same task. Now I want to ask you a question. Do you think we can make our task organizer web page even better? I can hear some students saying yes. Students, if you look carefully, our web page is working correctly, but it still looks very simple, right? So what can we do now? We can make it better. And how will we do that? By giving another prompt. So let's go back to the VS Code screen. We wrote the first prompt here at the top, but now the prompt box is at the bottom here. So we need to write our second prompt here at the bottom. Students, now I am writing the second prompt. Our second prompt is improve the above code. Add a light background color, a centered card layout, bigger and clear text, spacing between tasks. Remove the list style in front of each task. Remove the spacing at the start of each task. Do not change anything else in the code. Don't worry, students. You can also write this prompt by looking at the screen. Have you all written it, students? Let us move on. After writing, what should we do, students? We should check the prompt again. So if there is any mistake, we can fix it. Alright, students, please look at the screen and check your prompt once again. Have you all checked it, students? Now, let's quickly understand our second prompt. Our second prompt was improve the above code. Add a light background color, a centered card layout, bigger and clear text, spacing between tasks. Remove the list style in front of each task and remove the extra spacing at the start of each task. Do not change anything else in the code. Students, here the task is improve the above code. Add a light background color, a centered card layout, bigger and clear text, spacing between tasks, remove the list style in front of each task, and remove the extra spacing at the start of each task. First we said, improve the above code. This means we do not need to rebuild everything again. We only have to improve the existing code. Then we said, add a light background. Here we are asking the AI to make the background color of the web page a little light so that it looks nice. After this, we said a centered card layout. This means we want the main part of the web page to stay in the middle and look well organized. Then we said bigger and clear text. Here we are asking the AI to make the text bigger and clear so it is easy to read. After this, we said spacing between tasks. This means we want space between each task so they look separate and neat. Then we said remove the list style in front of each task. This means we want to remove the dots or marks that appear in front of each task. And finally we said remove the extra spacing at the start of each task. Here we are asking the AI to remove the extra blank space at the start of each task so that all the tasks start from the left side. Students, now once again, look at your prompt. Can you tell what the rule is in this prompt? I can see some confused faces. That's okay. Let me explain. The rule is, do not change anything else in the code. This means we only want the changes that we ask the AI to make. We do not want the AI to change anything else in the code. Students, you must have noticed one more thing. In this prompt, we did not write a role. We only wrote the task and the rule. This is because in the first prompt, we already told the AI its role. And the role was act like a web developer. So, the AI already knows its role. Now let's go back and give this prompt to AI together. Now let's click enter here. Look students, the AI has started giving the answer. Look, now our computer code is ready. Here, below it is also shown what the computer code is about. Students, now we have to copy this new computer code and paste it into our demo.html file. Do you remember the copy button, students? Students, look here. This is the copy button. Let's click on it. Have you all clicked it, students? Very good. Now, our computer code has been copied. Students, look. Our demo.html file is already open. So now we first have to delete the old code. To delete it, we can first click anywhere in the demo.html file. After clicking, while holding Ctrl button, we have to press A. Students, have you all done this? Now we have to press the backspace button on our keyboard. The backspace button looks something like this. Students, let's press the backspace button. As soon as we pressed backspace button, the old computer code has been deleted from the demo.html file. Now, let's paste our new code here. To paste it, we have to press and hold the Ctrl button and then press V. Like this. Look students, the new computer code has been pasted into the demo.html file. To save this new computer code, do you remember what we need to press? We need to press and hold the Ctrl button and then press S. Like this. Students, we also learned another way to save. Do you remember? We have to go to the File tab here. After going here, then we have to click on Save. And that's it. Our new computer code is saved. Students, to see the result, we have to go to our web browser. Look on the left side. Here is the Firefox icon. We will click on it once. Students, our web page looks just like before, but we have added new computer code. To see the changes, we need to do one more important thing. Can you see this icon here? This is called the refresh button. Let's click on it together. Look students, the browser has refreshed. Now we can see our new result. Look, our task organizer now looks much better than before. The background color is now visible on the web page. All the content is nicely placed in the center. The text is also bigger and clear than before. And if we add some tasks and check, we can see proper space between them. Students, is your screen also looking like this? If your screen looks a little different from my screen, there is nothing to worry about. Students, you have not made any mistake. We know that even if we give the same prompt to AI, the AI can still give different results. You should also try adding some tasks and see. Students, today you have made something very useful. You have made a task organizer with the help of AI. I am proud of you all. In the next chapter, we are going to make something fun. We will make a math quiz. It will be very exciting, interesting, and fun to use. So I will meet you in the next chapter. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and yes, keep vibing.